Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time, my name is Alema Bob Tibio. Today we are going to learn introduction to Microsoft Excel, how it's used, and how to save works which are already in Excel, and how to open Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is used for organizing, calculating, analyzing, and visualizing data in spreadsheet. First of all, Microsoft Excel is a popular tool in various fields, which include finance and business, for tasks such as creating budgets, managing financial models, data entry, among others. And there are many ways of open Microsoft Excel, and the first and easiest way is you have to come to search box, you will click on it, and you will type the word, you will type Excel. You see, it has brought for you the app Excel app there. You are on your left hand side. So if you don't want to click on that one, you also come to your right side here, and you double click on word open, and you will see how it's going to open. You can see here my Excel is now open, and it has brought for you some boxes here. For you to open Microsoft Excel, you have to click on blank workbook. You come here, you double click on workbook, and it has brought for you the word Microsoft Excel here. This is what is called column, the one which I have underlined, and this is what is called row. Where row and column meet is what is called cell. With the plus sign, this is what I'm meaning, cell. And this 5, and it has also underlined 5. This 5, this is what you call active row. This is function button, where you can generate your function where you want to type for calculating something which is already typed in Excel. To make work easier, you just click on it, and it will bring for you this option: plus, average, if, count. It will depend which one do you want to use for making your work. What is called, let me first cancel this. This is what is called seats. For you to add the number of seats, some you want to use 5 seats. This is where you come from. You just click on this plus sign. You can see it has added seat 2. You come here, you click again, seat 3, seat 4, seat 5, seat 6, assuming this is the number of seats I want to use. And this blank space, this is what is called worksheet, not workbook. This is worksheet. And this bar, this is vertical scroll bar. You can see how it is working. And the opposite of that one, it is here, horizontal scroll bar. You can see here. So let's bring it to the normal. Come back to the normal. You can see here. As I have said, if I want this my word character to be in the right hand side, let me bring this camera down. Or I take it to the other side, and I have tapped this word, and I want it to be in the middle. I'll just come here and I'll click on this one. And if I want it to be in my right hand side, I'll just click on that one. And if I want to be in left, and I will click here. And after typing everything, after Then making your worksheet and those words which you want. After typing them, you come to file. That's where you save it, and you click on file, and it will bring for you these options. Save as, save. For you, you have to come to save as, and you double click on. You see how it will bring for you, and you come to this PC, and you also double click on this PC. It has brought for me those files where I want to save it. My file name is book one, and it is possible for you to change. Let me say I want to change it to just results. Results. And for you, after typing your word, and you have to save it in PDF form before printing. You can't leave it in Excel. You have to come here and you look where PDF is, and you click on double click on PDF, and you see how it has brought for you, and you select the file where you want to save it. For example, I want to save it in new folder. New folder. There's some files here, biology. I want to put it here in biology. I'll just click on biology. I will come here save, because I typed 90 nothing. And oh, sorry, there is something which already exists in biology. So for this case, I'll change my folder and I'll look for another folder. Let's come to agriculture and let's save it here. Result file name was results. And I will save it here. See how I have saved my work. It's already in PDF form, because I failed to type everything. I just type character just for you to show how to save works. Thanks for listening. My name still remains Alemabob Tibio. Please and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for listening.